Looking for a powerful heat gun that delivers precision, versatility, and durability for all your DIY or professional projects? The latest heat guns aren't just about blowing hot air. They're smarter, safer, and more efficient than ever before. From stripping paint and shrinking tubing to thawing pipes or crafting projects, these tools pack serious heat with precise temperature control and ergonomic designs. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a weekend DIYer, the right heat gun can make all the difference. But with so many options out there, which one should you choose? We're breaking down the top 5 best heat guns on the market right now to help you find your perfect match. Let's get into it. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the Romeck 156. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly heat gun that still delivers professional results, the Romeck 350-watt heat gun is an excellent choice. It's made for DIY enthusiasts and craft lovers. It combines fast heating, safety, and versatility in a compact package. This heat gun reaches your desired working temperature within seconds and offers 2 adjustable settings: 400 degrees Fahrenheit with 5.3 cubic feet per minute, 150 liters per minute, airflow for delicate tasks, and 660 degrees Fahrenheit with 7 cubic feet per minute, 200 liters per minute, airflow for larger projects. Whether you're shrinking tubing, wrapping vinyl, embossing, soldering, drawing watercolors, or even removing paint, this tool has the precision and power you need. Safety is a top priority. The Romeck heat gun comes with built-in overheating protection, a UL/ETL certified power cord, impact-resistant body material, and a protective nozzle guard, so you can work confidently without worrying about accidents. You'll love the lightweight, ergonomic pencil-shaped design, which makes it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Low noise levels mean you can use it for extended periods without fatigue, and the included 2 nozzles and stand give you everything needed for a variety of tasks. This gun is backed by Romeck's quality commitment. This heat gun comes with a 12-month warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. If you want a safe, versatile, and easy-to-use heat gun, the Romeck 350-watt heat gun is a smart choice. It's lightweight, reliable, and packed with features that make all your home improvement and craft projects simpler and more efficient. The 4th place on our list is the AcmyslaT R003. The AcmyslaT Professional Heat Gun is one of the most reliable and well-balanced heat tools you can get for home improvement or crafting. It's built with strong 1,300 watt power. It heats up fast and delivers a steady output to help you complete tasks efficiently and safely. With dual temperature settings, 572 degrees Fahrenheit, 300 degrees Celsius, for lighter jobs, and 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius, for tougher applications, this heat gun gives you total control. Whether you're shrinking PVC, removing paint, repairing electronics, working with epoxy resin, or thawing frozen pipes, it's designed to handle it all with precision. Also, the overload protection system prevents overheating, keeping both you and your tool safe during long use. You'll appreciate its ergonomic non-slip handle and built-in stand, which make it comfortable and convenient to use for extended periods. The flexible power cord prevents cable damage, while the stainless steel and ABS construction ensures durability and a long service life, tested to last up to 800 hours of continuous use. The kit also includes 4 versatile nozzle attachments that help you direct heat exactly where you need it. From wide surface heating to focused spot applications, you'll have the right tool for every project. With its compact 1.54-pound lightweight design and 5.9-foot cord length, you'll find it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. If you're looking for a powerful, affordable, and long-lasting heat gun that's perfect for everything from daily DIY jobs to professional projects, the AcmyslaT heavy-duty heat gun is a top pick. It's safe, efficient, and built to make your work smoother every time. The 3rd product on our list is the SEEKONE SDL2816. The SEEKONE 1800 watt heat gun is one of the most powerful and feature-packed heat guns you can get for both DIY and professional projects. It has come with precision and performance in mind. It delivers rapid heating up to 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit, 650 degrees Celsius, in just 1.5 seconds, making even the toughest tasks faster and easier. With 2 heat and airflow modes, 50 to 450 degrees Celsius / 190 to 210 liters per minute, and 50 to 650 degrees Celsius / 250 to 500 liters per minute. You have complete control for everything from shrinking PVC, vinyl wrapping, and electronics repair to paint stripping, loosening bolts, or thawing frozen pipes. The variable temperature dial lets you fine-tune the heat exactly as you need, while the overheat protection system ensures safety and long-lasting durability. You'll love its ergonomic handle design, built for comfortable, strain-free use during long projects. Moreover, it comes with 4 versatile nozzle attachments, including a deflector nozzle for wide coverage, 2 concentrator nozzles for focused heat, and a reflector nozzle for even heat distribution. Whether you're working on delicate crafts or heavy-duty tasks, this kit adapts perfectly to every job. SEEKONE's commitment to quality shines through with its full refund and lifetime free warranty, giving you total peace of mind with your purchase. If you want a powerful, precise, and safe heat gun that's loaded with smart features and accessories, the SEEKONE 1800-watt heat gun kit is a no-brainer. It's the perfect all-in-one tool for anyone who wants professional results at home. The second product on our list is the DeWalt DCE530B. If you're looking for the best premium heat gun that combines power, portability, and professional performance, the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless heat gun is the perfect one to beat. It's designed for serious DIYers and professionals alike. This tool gives you the freedom to work anywhere, no cords, no limits. With a maximum temperature of 990 degrees Fahrenheit, 532 degrees Celsius, and up to 42 minutes of runtime per charge, it delivers powerful, consistent heat for demanding tasks like shrinking wire tubing, removing paint or decals, loosening bolts, or thawing pipes. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for working in tight or hard-to-reach spaces, while the LED light ensures you can see clearly even in dimly lit areas. You'll appreciate the lock-on button for effortless hands-free use and the lock-off trigger for added safety during manual operation. It also includes 2 versatile nozzle attachments, a flat nozzle for wide coverage and a hook nozzle for directing heat precisely where you need it. Also, the standard nozzle size means it's compatible with most accessories from corded models and other brands. It is built with DeWalt's signature durability. This cordless heat gun is engineered to withstand tough job site conditions while maintaining peak performance. It's part of the 20-volt max system, so it works seamlessly with your existing DeWalt batteries and chargers, sold separately. If you want a high-end, professional-grade heat gun that delivers power, flexibility, and top-notch build quality, the DeWalt 20-volt max heat gun is worth every penny. It's the ultimate premium tool for anyone who demands performance without compromise. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Wagner Spraytech HT1000. The Wagner Spraytech HT1000 heat gun is the best overall heat gun you can own. It's made for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It delivers powerful performance with 2 temperature settings, 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for a wide range of home improvement tasks. Whether you're loosening rusted bolts, removing paint, shrinking wrap, thawing frozen pipes, or bending PVC, this tool handles it all effortlessly. It's equipped with 3 nozzle attachments to make your work precise and efficient, an edge protector nozzle to shield delicate surfaces, a flare nozzle to spread heat evenly across wider areas, and a concentrator nozzle for focused, pinpoint heat where you need it most. You'll love the built-in safety features, including a corrosion-resistant nozzle for durability and an integrated stand that lets you operate it hands-free, perfect for jobs requiring 2 hands. And when you're done, the hanging hook makes it easy to store right on your pegboard or workbench. With over 50 years of trusted innovation, Wagner has crafted a tool that's not only powerful and durable, but also backed by ETL safety certification and responsive US-based customer support. If you want a dependable, easy-to-use, and affordable heat gun that delivers consistent results on every project, the Wagner Spraytech HT1000 is hard to beat. It's built to last, easy to handle, and packed with everything you need to tackle just about any heating task around the home. That's all for our list of the top 5 best heat guns on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.